Dimension. Nail brush, softer, 9.3 by 3.7 by 2.5 cm. Nail brush, harder, 8 by 3.5 by 2.8 cm. Both in crystal colors, rose color and orange color. Bathtub. 12 by 6.5 x 7, higher side, 1 PC small bathtub in white color. Angled two-sided hand nail brush. Soft bristles one side for cleaning dirt under the fingernails and bristles on other side for scrubbing hands or feet, the top of nails. Soft bristles and stiffer bristles, mainly designed to apply for cleaning your nails, hands and feet, using not very stiff PP material bristle to prevent from irritating your skin. Small PP material bathtub, mainly designed for soap container, or for these brushes, small item. Wide application. Portable and practical, the nail scrubbing brush is suitable for home, office, kitchen, bathroom, garden shed sink, travel and so on. Convenient and comfortable for you to remove dirt from your hands, feet, nails, etc. Top reviews from the United States. So cute. So cute. I love a nail brush, but never had a good place to keep it. Problem solved. My sink is small, but this cute little tub fits perfectly on the corner. So easy to keep clean, too. Love it.